Good afternoon, first grade. Remember yesterday in math, we talked about adding more or adding to something? Can you show me the action for more or add? Excellent job. Remember first grade, yesterday we had hearts and we added one more to the hearts. We also had some cubes and we added to the cubes. Today we're going to be doing the same thing. I want you to make sure that you have out your top colorful page and you are going to have it onto the page that has the leaf. Look at this leaf. It's empty. But something's going to happen. So I want you to listen to my story very carefully. There are 3 ladybugs on the leaf. So we are going to draw how many ladybugs? Good job, 3. Two more ladybugs joined them. How many ladybugs are there? So now I need to do what? You're right. I need to add 2 more. So just draw 2 more with your pencil. My question was, how many ladybugs are there? So before we can answer that question, I need to know what information I already have. You're right, we've already done that. We drew 3 ladybugs, and then we drew 2 more ladybugs. What's my question? What am I trying to find out? I'm trying to find out how many ladybugs there are. How many ladybugs are on the leaf at the beginning of the problem? Good job. There are 3 ladybugs on the leaf at the beginning of the problem. Make sure that you have 3 ladybugs on your leaf. How many more ladybugs joined them? You're right. Make sure that you have added 2 more ladybugs. So now, how many ladybugs are on the leaf? Thank you for raising your hand. If you got 5 ladybugs, you are correct. So I started with 3 ladybugs. 2 more ladybugs joined them. 3 plus 2 equals 5. I have 5 ladybugs. Please turn your paper over. We're going to do the same thing on this side. If you look up at the top, you will see in this box some cats. I have 2 cats and 1 more cat comes to join them. So, how many cats do I have in all? If I have 2 cats, I can count 2 cats. Plus the 1 more helps me figure out how many cats there are. 2, 1, 2, plus 1 more equals 3. So my answer is I have 3 cats in all. So please write your answer 3. Now we're going to go down and look at number 1. Here we see 3 fish and 1 more fish. I want you to write your answer of how many fish are on this page total. I want you to do the same thing with number 2. I want you to count 4 bees and 4 more bees and tell me how many bees you have all together. Do you see how we're adding together? and how we're getting more, and how our numbers get bigger and bigger, because if we add more, then the numbers are bigger than what we started with. Do you have any questions?